In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a picture in HiPaint. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top right and you want to tap on the wrench icon. So just tap on that, and then as you can see, a menu will appear. Now, from the left to the right, as you can see, the fourth button is going to be like a plus button inside a circle. So the fourth one, you want to tap on it, and there we go. It's going to give you a bunch of options. Now, the third one over here is named Import Picture. So what you have to do is simply tap on Import Picture. And then from here, when you do this, your photos are gonna get pulled up. You can just select the picture you want to import. I'm gonna use this dog over here, and I'm gonna tap on Done at the bottom right. There we go. When you do this, as you can see, my picture has been imported, and now I can go and change its size. I can move it around, I can rotate it, I can do whatever I want with it, and when I'm done, I can tap on a check mark above it, and there we go. I successfully have imported my picture in HiPaint. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.